How to link Spotify to Instagram Notes. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, swipe over to your DMs by tapping the chat icon in the top right corner of your home feed. At the top, tap on your profile picture where it says Your Note or shows a plus sign. This opens up the note creation screen. Here you'll see a music icon, tap on that. Now you will see Link Spotify option, select that. Now you will get a pop-up that says Instagram wants to open Spotify, tap on Open. This will automatically launch the Spotify app on your phone. Once Spotify opens, confirm the connection by tapping Agree. Now tap on Share from Spotify. This gives Instagram permission to access your Spotify account and share what you're currently listening to directly in your Instagram note. Tap Share. After that, you'll be able to select your current song, playlist, or whatever you're playing on Spotify, and it will show up as your note above your friends' DMs. And that's it. Now your friends can see what you're vibing to straight from your Instagram notes. If this video helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Instagram tips.